Welcome to Sakmods. Got another customer build for you. This time from a guy named Todd Parker that has a YouTube channel. He has a lot of videos on EDC items and a lot of technology stuff. I'll put a link to his channel in the description of this video here. So we've got Alox scales on this one, sweet berry or red. And I did cut tweezer and toothpick slots into this for him. And the toothpick there. He wanted the factory Victorinox liners in this one. So I just took those liners and polished the edges so they're nice and smooth and shiny. He did want the Spyderco Ladybug blade on this one. This is the Gen 3. Got some oil on there. Everything snaps open and closed nicely. Got a bunch of oil on there. Here we have the combo tool with the Phillips head screwdriver, bottle cap opener, and the wire stripper. We've got a saw made from the ruler. Left the slotted tip screwdriver on this one. For the file, he wanted it grinded down some to make the slotted tip a little wider. We've got the scissor, the hook blade, or orange pillar. A bunch of oil on there. And then the regular Victorinox pen blade. And these tools have been acid etched and brass washed. Alright folks, that's going to do it for this one. You guys check out Todd Parker's channel, it's pretty cool. He's got a bunch of nice videos. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps out a lot. Thank you for watching.